My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Dagon Locker. Dagon Locker is a special ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. This ransomware affects pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then after people restart their computers, they soon realize that something bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware actually encrypts the files and damages them considerably. So pretty soon it's not possible to use these files anymore. This Dagon Locker ransomware actually tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But to pay the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your data would be restored, even if you pay the ransom. So do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. And now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you notice that it's not possible to open it. By the way, this dagoned extension is additionally appended to the file names. Whenever you try to open the file, the ransomware leads you to this URL page that says you need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and then you will begin researching the system with its help. The program will help you to detect threats like adware, ransomware, of course, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So then, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. I do recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future and to remove this ransomware. Note that Combo Cleaner removes the ransomware, but it does not recover the data.